Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create modern weekend poster design in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Create a gradient adjustment layer. Follow my gradient settings. Then create a blank layer. Go to the brush tool. Add white color to it. And apply like this. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. And change its font to the Miscan. Hold the Alt key, and create a copy of it. Double-click and type other text. Select top text, double-click on text. And click on this icon. Then select Arc Style and set Bend to 0. And Horizontal to 40%. Double-click on other text. Select Arc and add negative value. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select your image and place. Go to the Select menu, and choose Subject. Do some manual selection if it needs. Then add a layer mask to it. Adjust the image placement. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate copy, and delete its layer mask. Select Lasso tool, and make a selection of shadow. Press Ctrl+J, and delete the bottom layer. Change its blend mode to hard light. And add layer mask, select brush tool. And erase the extra area. Follow my other text settings. Select both text layer, right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Create blank layer, right-click, and choose Create Clipping Mask. Go to Brush Tool, select lighter shade of text color. And apply like this. Then place the paper wrap texture. Then change its blend mode to lighten and decrease its opacity to 75%. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.